Welcome to Shipra's Kitchen, where we explore culinary chronicles. And today I'm going to be making red sauce pasta in Masterchef's Kitchen and Cookware range, which is exclusively launched on Flipkart. So let's start by making the tomato puree in the Masterchef juicer mixer grinder. Built with superior technology and boasts a stylish chrome finish, elevating your cooking experience while ensuring convenience. Cooking becomes an enjoyable experience when you're cooking in Masterchef's Kadhai. The Masterchef gas stove provides precise heat control, which allows pasta to be cooked at perfect temperature. Our Masterchef style red sauce pasta will be ready in no time. And for dessert, I baked this yummy cake using this Masterchef Smart Electric Cooker. But that's not all. They also offer a wide range of products such as electric kettle, non-stick cookware set, induction cooktop, stainless steel cookware set, cutlery set, 5-litre and 3-litre pressure cooker. Be the master chef of your own kitchen with Masterchef. Masterchef, exclusively available on Flipkart.